I'm going to show you how to get into Teams that we have set up for your class. First of all, you'll go to chattanoogastate.edu, and when it comes up, you'll click on the paw, and then you'll sign in. And once you sign in, you will come over to the right and it'll say email. So you'll click email. It'll have you put in your Chattanooga State email and all your information, and you'll come into Outlook. Up at the top left is going to say Outlook. You're going to click the box, the little square, and click Teams. That will bring you to any team that has been set up for you. Maybe. There we are. So when you come in, you should see something like this. And then you'll select your class that I've set up. So say I'm doing this one. And then if you have any questions, you can comment in the question conversation box at the bottom. At the top is a file category. You can click that. I've placed in some videos that you can watch in some of the classes. So this is where we can communicate with all your classmates. Everyone in the class sees the conversation. So make sure that what you say is correct. But this is a way that we can communicate as a class. So if you have any questions, let me know. Be sure to check your eLearn. Be sure to check your Tiger Mail on a daily basis since everything is going to online. Remember, all your tests can be taken at home in a 90-minute setting. So make sure you have everything ready for you to take the test, and I'll talk to you soon.